What if I told you there are car engines out there that can last a lifetime? Engines so reliable that with basic maintenance, they can easily hit 500,000 miles or more. In this video, we're diving into the most legendary engines ever built, power plants that have proven themselves over decades to be nearly indestructible. If you're looking for a car that will run forever, or just want to know what makes these engines so bulletproof, stick around. Let's get into it. Toyota 2JZ GE. When it comes to indestructible engines, one name immediately comes to mind, the Toyota 2JZ. This 3-liter inline-6 engine, first introduced in the Toyota Aristo and later made famous by the Supra, is one of the most revered engines in automotive history. The naturally aspirated 2JZ GE and the turbocharged 2JZ GTE both feature an iron block and forged internals, making them incredibly durable. The 2JZ GTTE in particular is known for handling extreme power. Many tuners have pushed these engines to over 1,000 horsepower on stock internals. But even in stock form, with proper maintenance, these engines regularly surpass 500,000 miles. Honda K-Series, K20, and K24. Honda's K-Series engines, especially the K20 and K24, have built a reputation for reliability and high revving performance. These engines utilize advanced technology, such as Honda's VTEC system, which optimizes fuel economy and performance at different RPM ranges. Built with lightweight aluminum blocks, durable internals, and high-flow cylinder heads, these engines have become a favorite for tuners and racers. But what makes them truly special is their longevity. Many K20 and K24 engines have easily hit over 300,000 miles without any major issues, thanks to Honda's precision engineering. Mercedes-Benz OM617 diesel. Moving into the diesel world, we have the Mercedes-Benz OM617, a 3-liter, 5-cylinder diesel engine that has become the gold standard for longevity. Introduced in the 1970s and used in Mercedes sedans and commercial vehicles, this engine is often found in high-mileage taxis that have surpassed 1,000,000 miles without major overhauls. With a cast-iron block, low-stress design, and mechanical fuel injection, the OM617 is built to withstand extreme conditions. It's slow, yes, but if you're looking for an engine that will run until the end of time, this is it. Toyota 22R, 22RE. The Toyota 22R and 22RE are perhaps the most famous truck engines ever built. Found in Toyota pickups and 4Runners, these 2.4-liter inline-4 engines are legendary for their ability to endure abuse, whether it's off-roading, hauling loads, or running indefinitely with minimal maintenance. With a simple overhead cam design and a cast iron block, these engines can last over 400,000 miles with regular upkeep. If you're looking for an engine that thrives in harsh conditions, the 22R is a rock-solid choice. Chevrolet Small Block V8 350 NLS Series. Chevrolet's Small Block V8 has been the backbone of American performance and reliability for decades. The 350 cubic inch version, introduced in the 1960s, is still going strong today. Its simple push-rod design, easy maintenance, and massive aftermarket support make it a favorite among hot rodders and work truck owners alike. The LS series, which evolved from the original small block, has taken durability to the next level. With aluminum blocks, advanced fuel injection, and improved efficiency, LS engines have become the go-to choice for reliability and power. With proper care, both the 350 and LS engines can easily hit 500,000 miles. Volvo Red Block B230F. Volvo's B230F, commonly known as the Red Block, is another tank-like engine that refuses to die. Found in legendary Volvo models such as the 240, 740, and 940, this 2.3-liter inline-4 is an example of Swedish engineering at its finest. Designed with durability as the top priority, the Red Block features a robust cast iron block that can withstand extreme conditions, from freezing temperatures to high heat. This engine isn't just tough, it's also incredibly simple. With a straightforward overhead cam design, minimal electronic components, and a non-interference layout, the Red Block is easy to maintain and nearly impossible to kill. Many owners have reported surpassing 400,000 miles on these engines, with just regular oil changes and basic upkeep. Ford 300 Inline-6. For truck lovers, mechanics, and anyone who needs a dependable engine, The Ford 300 Inline-6 is the ultimate workhorse. Produced from the 1960s to the 1990s, this engine was a staple in Ford's F-Series trucks, vans, and even industrial equipment. What makes it so legendary? The answer is simple. It was designed to last forever. This 4.9-liter straight six features a rugged cast iron block and head, heavy-duty internal components, and an ultra-reliable pushrod design that minimizes complexity while maximizing strength. Unlike high-revving performance engines, the Ford 300 operates at low RPMs, producing peak torque at just above idle speed. The result? Engines that commonly surpassed 500,000 miles, often with minimal maintenance. Now that we have our list of legendary engines, it's important to understand what makes an engine truly last forever. Longevity isn't just about luck, it's about smart engineering, high-quality materials, and proper care. Here are the key factors that separate a long-lasting engine from one that fails prematurely. Simple and overbuilt design. Some of the longest-lasting engines are incredibly simple in their construction. Fewer moving parts mean fewer things to break. Many of these engines are also over-engineered, meaning they were built with stronger materials and tolerances than necessary, leading to extreme durability. Proper lubrication and cooling, heat and friction are the biggest enemies of an engine. That's why engines with excellent oil circulation and robust cooling systems tend to last longer. Regular oil changes and coolant flushes are key to keeping an engine running smoothly for hundreds of thousands of miles. Low-stress engineering. Some engines are designed to perform efficiently without being pushed to their limits. Lower compression ratios, conservative power outputs, and robust internal components help ensure these engines can keep running for decades without failure. Regular maintenance and proper use. Even the toughest engines will fail if neglected. Simple habits like changing the oil at the right intervals, using high-quality fuel and filters, keeping an eye on the cooling system, and fixing small issues before they become major problems can significantly extend an engine's life. Now that we know what makes an engine last, let's take a look at the ways to make any engine last forever. Because even if you don't own one of these legendary engines, you can still maximize your engine's lifespan with these simple habits. 1. Change your oil regularly. Oil is the lifeblood of your engine, and skipping oil changes leads to increased friction, premature wear, and eventual failure. Over time, oil breaks down and collects contaminants, so following your manufacturer's recommended intervals is crucial. 2. Use high-quality fuel and filters. Cheap, low-quality gas contains more impurities, leading to carbon buildup on intake valves and injectors, which reduces performance over time. If your car requires premium fuel, always use it to prevent knocking. 3. Maintain your cooling system. Overheating is one of the fastest ways to destroy an engine. Your cooling system consists of the radiator, coolant, water pump, thermostat, and hoses. Any failure in this system can lead to severe damage. Coolant degrades over time, so flush and replace it regularly to prevent corrosion and blockages. 4. Drive smoothly and avoid excessive stress. Your driving habits have a huge impact on engine longevity. Constant high RPM driving, aggressive acceleration, and sudden braking put unnecessary stress on internal components. Smooth, gradual acceleration and keeping RPMs moderate reduce wear and tear. Avoid excessive idling as it leads to carbon buildup and inefficient fuel combustion. If you drive a manual, avoid aggressive downshifting and riding the clutch. That wraps up our deep dive into the most indestructible engines ever made. Did your favorite make the list? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.